In this tutorial, we'll show you how to import work instructions from an Excel file into a station design study. First, let's create a new study in the station design module. Next, mark the cycles in the video and select a reference cycle. Once the cycles are marked, you have two options. Manually enter the number of steps to segment the video. This option also uses our AI to assign step names automatically. Or import work instructions directly from an Excel file. In this tutorial, we'll use the import option. Let's upload an Excel file that contains the step names. For this example, we'll use this Excel file, which already includes the work instructions. The upload might take a few seconds. Our software will automatically extract the number of steps from the Excel file. Click Next to let the system segment the video into steps automatically. Wait a few minutes for the AI services to complete the segmentation process. Once the study is ready, you'll see the step names assigned to each step in the same order as in the Excel file. You can also rename any step by selecting a name from the drop-down list or typing a new name manually.